We'll guide you through how to turn off and mute keyboard sounds on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may go and find the sounds get quite annoying when you're typing and you just want it to go and be silent. So to go and do this, just come out of whatever app you're in and you need to go and open up the settings app. In settings, you need to go and scroll down until you can see the option sounds and haptics just here and go and click on it. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down until you can see the option for keyboard feedback in system sounds and haptics. You've got the option for sound and haptic. The primary thing we want to turn off is sound, like so. Now, when we come out of here and you go and type, you'll notice you don't hear anything.